What's going on, everybody? Eric here with Total Roofing and Construction. Today we are out at Peace Lutheran Church in Beecher, Illinois, also known by many in the community as Zion Lutheran Church. We had some really bad storms come through the area on Monday, as many of you can probably attest to. Significant tornado damage, wind damage, storm damage. Unfortunately, Peace Lutheran was one of the places that was the most heavily affected. For us at Total Roofing, this church is kind of an extension of our family. We have people that work at Total Roofing that are members of this church. So as soon as this damage occurred, we were able to get on site and assess what needed to be done. We are partnering on this project with our friends at Wellbuilt and International Equipment. You'll see our friend Dave on camera very soon. He provided a lift and scaffolding shoring support structure to make sure that we can adequately, properly repair the very large beams that hold up the main structure of this church.
Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. We came out here on site after the big storms that came through on Monday to help provide emergency shoring services through our sister company, International Equipment and Scaffold Erectors, and area lift access through our lift division, Wellbuilt Equipment. So on site here, we have temporary scaffold and shoring. This will have work access platforms, all safe for the workers to get up there, do their inspections and repairs, as well as a shoring system, and then area lifts for the initial inspection, and then access to the other parts of the church where the scaffolding is not present.
My name is Greg Cooper from Total Roofing and Construction. Last week we had the microburst tornado. On this side over here, it actually took the whole section of the roof off, blew it, hit another part of the building, the sanctuary, then actually blew to the soccer field. This section of wall back here, what happened is when the roof flew off from the north side of the building, part of the roof hit the back of the sanctuary. Well, the problem we have is behind that wall, it's all stained glass, and there's a pipe organ behind it. We're trying to probably remove the wall from the outside, so we have to mess with the pipe organ, but we don't know what's broke behind it. So it's like Pandora's box. Once you open it up, now you're gonna find out. So the biggest thing is we take everything off, we gotta keep them watertight because of the weather cycles, basically. So that's the biggest problem you have right now. Can we do like a section at a time? This is the interior of the sanctuary. This is basically probably the most damage was done. If you go up on this wall here, you'll see where it cracked all the beams, the laminated beams up on top. Basically all the weight, if you look at the rafters on it, basically they all join, they all sit, so everything's all distributed. If one's off, come down like a dominoes, unfortunately. These type of beams, you're not running to Home Depot to pick these things up. These are all specially made, milled, and that's the time span, how long. Other than that, I say this is the most difficult part. Once you get it done, okay, well now try to match a color. Well, we'll end up repainting the whole thing, the whole place, I guarantee you that, because there's no way you're matching this.
I have a lot of friends and family that live in Beecher, as do all of the rest of people that work at Total Roofing and Construction. So to be able to be involved in this project and help restore what we consider a pillar of the community and be able to restore it to what it once was is something that we're unbelievably humbled and proud that we're able to contribute to this project.